Welcome to Get Glim's channel. Today we are covering something vital for every WhatsApp user. That's how to secure your messages with backups, and even better, how to get them back if they disappear. Whether you are on Android or iPhone, I will walk you through these simple steps. Let's begin with backing up. The easiest way is directly within WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp. In here, go ahead and click on these three dots. Now click on settings. On iPhone, it's usually at the bottom right, and on Android, tap the three dots at the top right. From there, navigate to chats and then chat backup like that. Here, you can set your auto backup frequency. Daily or weekly is often a good choice. Decide if you want to include videos in your backup. Importantly, iPhone users, your backups go to iCloud, while Android users, backups are sent to Google Drive. You can also trigger a manual backup now, anytime actually. So for individual conversations, there is also the export chat option. Just select a specific chat, choose export chat, and you can then send it via email or save it directly to your phone's files. It's perfect for archiving specific conversations. Finally, your phone's system settings play a role. If you are on an iPhone, head to your phone's main settings, tap your name at the very top. Now select iCloud. Under apps using iCloud, find WhatsApp and make sure its toggle is switched on. This ensures WhatsApp data is included in your overall iCloud backups. For Android users, ensuring your Google Drive account is correctly linked within WhatsApp's in-app chat backup settings is key. Now, imagine you accidentally delete a chat or somehow lose your messages. Don't worry, WhatsApp primarily uses your last successful backup to restore everything. A crucial point is any messages or activity that happened after the last backup time won't be recoverable. First, check your chat backup screen in WhatsApp to confirm the date and time of your most recent backup. Next, you'll need to uninstall WhatsApp from your Android phone. You can usually do this by tapping and holding the app icon, then choosing uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, head over to Google Play Store and download WhatsApp again. When you open the app after reinstallation, you'll start the initial setup. WhatsApp will automatically detect your Google Drive backup. Just follow the prompts and tap restore when you see the option. After it finishes, you will find your deleted chats or messages from that backup date have reappeared. For iPhone users, the restoration process is very similar. After uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp from the App Store during the initial setup, the app will automatically prompt you to restore from your iCloud backup. Just ensure that you are logged into the same iCloud account used for the backup. Knowing these steps gives you great peace of mind. So here are a few extra tips to ensure your backups and restores always goes smoothly. First of all, check your cloud storage. Just make sure that you have enough free space in your Google Drive or iCloud. Use the same account for a successful restore. Always use the same phone number and the same Google account, that is for Android, or iCloud account for iPhone. Also, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi. That is the best. Always try to perform large backups or restores over a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents data charges and ensures that the process completes without interruption. Always keep that auto backup enabled for peace of mind. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.